Okay, hi, it's Scribz, and welcome back to Scribble Scrabbles. We're gonna be testing out TikTok hacks. I'm gonna play the TikTok for you, and we're only doing 2 TikToks today, unfortunately. If you have another TikTok that you'd like me to test out for art hacks or whatever, well, obviously relating to art, let me know. I'm gonna play the TikTok for myself right now and follow it step by step, and I will also put it so you can see. That was loud. I picked my base. Oh, blush, an orangey tone around the eyes to give a youthful look. Okay? Orangey tone around the eyes. Is this orange? Yeah. Okay. Around the eyes. They don't say what brush they're using. I would not use this round brush. I would use a soft brush. Usually I use a soft brush. I can show you guys the brushes that I use and everything in a different video. I'm actually going to make a video about that. Okay, I added the blush. Very interesting. Oh, they add it on the nose bridge too. Okay. And a little bit more around the eyes. Okay. The nose shadow. So what I can't tell, I don't think the nose shadow is the same color. I'm going to pick my shadow color that I picked for Jake and... Oh no, not the round brush. And use around the passing brush for the nose shadow. No, it has to be softer than that. I feel like this is a very soft looking. Okay. For shadows, I pick a more dark rosy shade. Let me see. Okay. And then they place the shadows. Right here. Oh, that was disastrous. Okay. Oh, you guys, you should not be heavy-handed like me. That was really bad. Okay. Where else did they put them? Cold lavender blue. Well, there's more places that they're putting them, is what I'm realizing. And I'm missing it. You know, normally I would just use my round brush without pressure underneath here. Let's see where else they put the shadow. Also under the nose. Oh, this is kind of cool. I never thought about shading this way. I kind of want the brush to be a bit tinier. And I want to change the shape that I'm doing it. I would, okay. This is kind of cool. I'm going to change the color of the line art just a little bit because her skin is a very interesting color because she has, I might change it just a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to change it to that. She's albino. Jake is albino, so I gave her a very, very pale skin tone, but I want the line art to be a bit like, a bit more skin-like, because, you know, she's still a person, and I feel like I'm making her look like she's like a vampire or something. Maybe like that. Yeah, that's better. In my opinion, you can disagree with me. If you want to, you can. disagree with me. But I think this makes her look a bit more alive. There we go. Yeah, way better than before. And so then a cold lavender blue color. And let's see where she puts the cold lavender blue color. Oh, in the same places. I didn't shade the air, you guys. I completely forgot to shade the air how I normally do. That's probably because actually, I can't tell you why I forgot. I'm gonna use the round opacity brush. Sometimes I like the round opacity brush. Sometimes I just like the regular round brush. It all depends on how I'm feeling. I'm actually finding that I want to experiment more with the brushes I use. I don't even remember where they used it. I wasn't paying that much attention. I got distracted. I'll tell you what. I'm really loving this. I'm like, I kind of want to do this with my art. Maybe I should. Should I do that? I don't know. Let me color the eyes with a gray blue tone. Okay. So they're not too bright. Rosy lips. Okay, and then they end the tutorial. And rosy lips. Okay, I'm going to select more red color. So that's that. What do you guys think compared to how I normally color? I don't like how I did the nose. I think I messed that up, but that was TikTok hack number 1. We're only doing 2 today because I wanted to do another one, but it was not working out when I was sketching it, okay? The other one is another coloring one. It's a bit different though. And then, no, actually we have more. We have another, adding texture and lighting.
This is the fastest one yet, so be ready to pause. I start with line art, but I've also done this style of coloring without line art. And I start with a gray background as well as my...
Okay, I have a gray background and I have all the flats.
Then you're going to add a multiply layer for...
A multiply layer for blush. And she's picking like this really light pink. I don't know if that's going to work on my girl. Let's see.
And pick a bright...
Not bad, not bad. I think she's using...
color for the cheeks, the lips, and the fingers. For the...
I can't tell what brush she's using. If I keep with the round opacity brush, I think it gives off the same vibes. Alright?
I use the selection tool on freehand mode, and
I
I
should have
select
done
where
it.
I want the color to be. Then
That'd
I
been
add my
cool.
gradient, and I select the parts I want to be lighter as well. This includes the fingernails and underneath the eye on the cheek. If you lower the...
Okay, so if I... Okay, so I went around and I looked online to see how I'm supposed to solve this problem that I just ran into with the opacity, because I know where it is, but when I'm trying to select just this little thing, oh, that's not the shape I want. Well, I don't even want that shape either. I'm so aggravated. Alright, so when I'm trying to just adjust this little shape that I have, right? That's not even the right shape either. Sorry. So that it can, it's doing the whole layer. I don't want it to do the whole layer. And I'm like, how do I get it to only do that layer? So I don't know. I guess I can't complete that part of the hack.
If you lower the opacity of this, it'll be lighter than the rest of the layer, and then you can erase where you want the real highlights to be. I shade the same layer as my flat, so I alpha.
She alpha locks. I don't shade on the same layer as my flats. I could never do that. I don't know how to shade.
Yeah, and then pick a darker color for the shading.
Okay, I know what color I use for shading. I have her palette set out.
And cell shading with a flat hard
Cell shading with a flat hard brush?
Then I move
Okay.
to gradients.
Then she moves into gradients. So I'm going to do my cell shading with my flat round brush. What do you guys think? Let me shut up. Sorry.
Part you want to add the...
You're going to select the part you want to add the gradient to. So I'm going to say the forehead is the part where I'd like to add the gradient. Oh, that is not a good shape. No, that's not a good shape either. You guys, this is hard. This is why I never do it. Then I do what?
And then use an airbrush and fill it in.
Airbrush. Let's get me an airbrush, a soft brush. That's what I normally use as my airbrush. And then fill it in. Let's see what that looks like. You guys, I don't know if I like it or not. Let me try again. Let me select it better. Because I don't even actually think it looks that bad. I just have a bad hand. That looks so harsh. Can I blend it? I don't know if this is allowed. But... you guys, I hate it. I don't know why I hate it. So I guess that should be my next video, huh? Learning how to color and what brushes do I use. Thanks for watching and hanging out with me. Hope you have a great day / night / whatever time it is. Bye.